this is a lock that goes on any type of disc. Say you've got an e-bike like this. I have the MoveCan V70 e-bike right here. So we'll go ahead and turn that battery off. Looking over it right here, and it does have a front hydraulic disc right here. So if you've got these kind of discs, whether it's an e-bike, motorcycle, or anything like that, this thing will work for you. Now what this is going to run, this is a helmet lock, so we won't be needing it. It's basically just any type of cord lock. You'll set your own combination. You get a couple of these little round cylinder keys right here, a USB-C for charging, and then this cable right here. And I'm going to show you how this thing sets up. So you've got a reminder cable. That's what this is called. It's called the reminder cable. And you got the motorcycle disc lock. So once you've done it, fully charged it, you're going to charge it right there. Get your reminder cable, stick in there like that. Now watch, this goes in. That is locked on there. This is locked on there right now. It just armed itself. Take the reminder cable, hook it right up here. Now the reason you're going to want to run this so you don't jump on your bike, start it up, and then take off and forget that's on there and destroy it. So when you just see this right here, this looks like something I don't even want to mess with, honestly. But let's go ahead, let's try to mess with it. So if you're like someone looking to maybe get a bike from a guy or a girl, you come up, you look at this, you're like, what is this thing? So first thing I want to do, I'm not gonna vibrate it too much, but let's go ahead, let's take this off. So I'm like, well, get rid of it. What's it doing now? Okay, well, I can start rolling it off. Well, it just set off the alarm. So this is gonna do a couple of things. It's gonna alert you that the bike's that there's vibration with your bike. It's gonna alert you so you can come running outside, check it out. And it's also gonna stop the bike from rolling. You cannot roll this bike without destroying this entire rotor. Actually, you won't be able to ride off on this bike. And I can't really, wow, that's loud. I can't really cut that either. Like, how do you get down there and cut that? That's really tough. You're gonna have to remove the entire wheel to get this off of here from what I see. And to remove it, you'll just come up, you take off that. Now it might set off. There we go. Turns off immediately. What happens? Let's just check it in my hand here. Give it a second. It's just armed. What happens if I just wiggle it? Well, wow, that's not much at all. This thing works great. You see what it does? It just pushes down and locks onto any rotor. I think if you got a really high dollar motorcycle or high dollar bike like this that you want to kind of keep a hold of and just let you know that someone's messing with it, or make it even more difficult to take, because you know what, it's hard to make anything 100%, but this right here can definitely help. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the bike disc lock. See you on the next video.